In this video, we're diving into how to create a conversion-focused homepage in Wix that loads quickly and gets visitors to take action. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your first website that looks great and works hard for you. Today, you'll learn how to craft a clear message, design sections that encourage your visitors to click, and optimize everything so your site feels lightning fast. Planning a high conversion layout. Great homepages follow a logical flow. Think of it like telling a story. You hook viewers with a strong opening, build trust with information and proof, then invite them to take action. Here's a simple structure. Hero section. This first section introduces your brand and value proposition. It usually includes a bold headline, a brief supporting paragraph, and a primary call to action button. Choose an image or background that supports your message without distracting from it. Make sure text is easy to read on any device by picking contrasting colors and large font sizes. Benefits and features. After capturing attention, explain how your product or service solves problems. Use short paragraphs or bullet points to highlight benefits and not just features. For example, a web designer might list mobile-friendly design and explain that it helps visitors access your site comfortably on both phones and tablets, where most of the traffic comes from anyways. Keep each item brief and focused. Social proof. People trust people. Include testimonials, reviews, or logos of companies you've worked with. Display a short quote with the person's name and photo if possible. This builds credibility and reassures potential customers about you or your business. Share a little bit of your story. Explain who you are and what drives you and why you're passionate about what you do. Keep it honest and approachable. A friendly photo can make a big difference by putting a face to the name. Call to action section. End your homepage with a clear next step. Use a prominent button in inviting language like get started or contact us. You can also repeat your main call to action throughout the page so visitors always know where to click. Designing fast loading sections. Speed matters. A slow site turns visitors away. Thankfully, Wix gives you tools to make your site faster. Here's how to build sections that load quickly and look great. Optimize your images. Large images are one of the main reasons that pages load slowly. Before you upload photos, resize them to fit the space on your page. For example, if your banner is 1200 pixels wide, make sure that your image is that width and no larger. Compress your images using a tool like TinyPNG to reduce file size without losing quality. In Wix, you can enable image lazy loading so pictures appear only when visitors scroll down to them. This makes the top of the page load faster. Choose the right fonts. Fonts can also slow down your site, so limit yourself to 1 or 2 typefaces. Stick to web-safe fonts or the built-in fonts that Wix offers. If you want a custom font, check how large the file is. Simpler fonts load faster than elaborate script fonts. Consistency in your font choices also helps visitors read your content more easily. Use simple animations. Animations, like things fading in or sliding up as you scroll, can add a nice touch, but too many animations can make your site feel really sluggish. So use them sparingly. A simple fade effect for each section can help draw attention without hogging resources. Always preview your page on desktop and mobile to see how animations look. Limit third-party apps. Wix's app market offers lots of extra features, but every extra app that you add can slow down your site. So before adding an app, ask yourself if it's truly necessary. If you need a form or social feed, try to use Wix's built-in tools first. If you do add an app, check its impact on your site's speed using Wix's built-in performance tools. Clean up hidden elements. Sometimes you might hide elements on mobile or desktop views. Even if they're hidden, those elements still load. So delete anything you're not using. Keep your page clutter-free to improve both speed and focus. Building the page in Wix. So let's walk through putting all this into practice together in the Wix editor. Start by clicking the link down in the description where you can get started with Wix for free. Start with a blank template or choose a simple theme. You can pick a template from Wix or start from scratch. If you choose a template, look for one that's simple and clean. Avoid designs with heavy animations or big videos. Once you choose a template, go through each section and replace the demo content with your own copy and images. Set up the hero section. Create a strip at the top of the page. Add a background image or color. Insert a heading element for your value proposition and a text element for your subheading. Add a button element that links to your desired action. like booking a consultation. Check how it looks on mobile. Adjust font sizes and spacing so it's readable on smaller screens. Create the benefits section. So add another strip below the hero. Divide it into columns or boxes to list your benefits, and keep the text short. Use icons or small images to represent each point. This helps visitors scan quickly. Add a call to action at the end of this section if it makes sense. Add social proof. Drag in testimonial sliders or a repeater element. Enter real quotes from customers or partners. If you don't have testimonials yet, start by showcasing your credentials or your projects. Over time, replace these with genuine feedback. Write an about section. Tell your story in a conversational tone. Keep the paragraph short. You can add a photo of yourself or your team. People like to see who they're working with. It makes your brand feel more approachable. Finish with a strong call to action. So repeat your main call to action at the bottom. People might scroll through your page before deciding. Offering them the button again makes it easy for them to take the next step. Use contrasting colors for your buttons so they stand out. So inside of Wix dashboard, after you get signed up, we'll go over to Site and Mobile App. We'll go to Website Overview and we'll go to Website. So here we'll go ahead and click on Edit Site if you already have created a site. And again, if you want to choose a template, that's a really good starting point so you're not staring at a blank screen. Okay, so this is a template from a website that I was building earlier. So we'll go ahead and just kind of work with what we got here. Using Wix is super easy. It's a drag and drop editor, so you don't need to know any coding or anything like that. It's really as simple as clicking on something that's already existing, clicking on change text in this example, and you can go ahead and edit this here. So maybe this is for a personal trainer, something like your dream body is in reach, start today. Maybe you want to change that up. Maybe something like new year, new you. But this time it's for real or something like that. I don't know. I just came up with that off the top of my head. Obviously come up with some less cheesy copy than that. And we'll go ahead and click on customize design. And this is how you can go ahead and customize it even further. So right now it's sort of got this gradient bubble thing on here. So you can go ahead and change that. This is the text. You can change the style or the font as well as the alignment. Maybe you want it centered. I think the left hand justified looks better. And here you can change the line spacing. Maybe you want a little bit more room in between there. Maybe you want to add a bit of a shadow so it pops a little bit more. Maybe we'll increase the distance a little bit. Maybe we'll increase the blur just a little bit. That way it kind of pops off the page a little bit there more. Maybe we'll increase that opacity just a bit. And that's how easy it is to go ahead and make changes to anything here inside of Wix. Now, again, right here at the top of the hero section, we've got the image in the back, we've got a headline, but I think it'd be a great idea to add a button here. Again, you want those call to actions to be all throughout the homepage. So right here, we're gonna hit the plus sign. We'll come to the button here, and we've got all these different buttons here. There's themed buttons, text and icon buttons. You can come to all this stuff. We'll go to themed buttons here, and maybe we'll click on this, and we just click it, and it brought it to the page. And as you can see, you can drag this anywhere you want. So we definitely want it over here a little bit more. Let's grab a corner here and make this bigger. Now, by holding Shift, it's gonna go ahead and keep that aspect ratio. Otherwise, you can go ahead and change the width as well as the height with that. So if you wanna, maybe keep it a little bit more how it was, we'll go ahead and do that. And then we can come in here, click on settings. We can change what it says, and we'll say get started today. You can change out the icon there, and then this is where you go ahead and put that link in. So again, getting started with Wix and editing is super easy. My best advice for you is to go find a landing page or a home page that you really like. Maybe from a website that you've bought from before, and have that open on one screen or in one tab, and in the other tab, go into Wix and try to copy it exactly. And then you're gonna go ahead and see what you like, what you don't like, where it makes sense for your homepage, where it doesn't, and that's gonna be a really good approach to get a sleek looking homepage. Making your site mobile friendly. So many people will view your site on their phones. Wix lets you switch between desktop and mobile previews. Take advantage of this feature. Adjust font sizes, button widths, and spacing so that everything looks good on mobile. Make sure your call to action is near the top on mobile. If your hero image looks awkward on small screens, you can replace it with a different image just for mobile. So test on different devices. Beyond the Wix editor, check your site on an actual phone or tablet. Scroll through the page. Is the text easy to read? Are buttons large enough to tap? The images crop weirdly? Fix these issues inside the editor. Keeping speed in check. Use Wix Performance Tool. So Wix offers tools like site history and performance metrics. After building your page, open the dashboard and look at the load time and performance score. If the score isn't good, revisit your images and apps. Maybe compress images more or remove an app that you don't need. Enable caching in CDN. Wix automatically caches your site and serves it it through a content delivery network. You don't have to do much, but make sure that you don't disable these settings by mistake. Caching keeps copies of your site closer to your visitors, which speeds up loading times. Clean up your page regularly. As you update your site, old elements might stick around. For example, you may duplicate a section to test a different layout and forget to delete the original. Every extra element loads in the background. So regularly review your page sections and delete anything that's not being used. A/B testing for conversions. Once your homepage is built, you may wonder if it can perform even better. A/B testing means creating two versions of a section and seeing which performs better. So Wix doesn't have built-in A/B testing, but you can simulate it by making changes and monitoring analytics over time. For instance, try a different headline or call to action color. Watch your analytics to see if more people click. Then choose a version that converts better. Measuring success. Set up analytics. Connect your site to tools like Google Analytics or Wix's built-in analytics. Track metrics like page views, bounce rate, and conversions. If your bounce rate is high, visitors might be leaving too quickly. Experiment with shorter copy, different images, or a clearer call to action to keep them on the page longer. Monitor form submissions or sales. If your goal is to collect leads, then track form submissions. If you run an online store, monitor how many visitors add products to their cart or complete a purchase. These numbers show if your homepage is doing its job. So building a conversion-focused homepage in Wix isn't about using flashy templates or stuffing your page with features. It's about clarity, simplicity, and speed. Clarify your value proposition right away. Use a logical layout that tells visitors who you are, why they should trust you, and what to do next. Optimize images, fonts, and apps to keep load times low. Test your site on different devices, measure your results, and make adjustments based on data. With these steps, you'll create a homepage that not only looks good, but also turns visitors into customers. So if you want to get started with Wix, you'll find the link down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to keep creating free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.